Hi, I'm Naomi Green. I'm headed to Georgia State University, and I know college is going to be filled with surprises, and not always the good kind. Imagine this. You get back from class, and your ceiling is leaking. Your laptop, textbooks, maybe even your favorite hoodie, all soaked. Or it's finals week. The fire alarm goes off, and now everything you own smells like smoke. Not fun. That's where GradGuard renter's insurance comes in. It's something most students don't even think about until it's too late, but it can really save you when the unexpected happens. Renter's insurance can help cover the cost to replace your stuff, like your laptop, bike, furniture, clothes, even your textbooks when things go wrong. It can even cover you if someone gets hurt in your place or you accidentally damage your dorm. Basically, it's a budget-friendly way to protect what matters while you focus on school. So take a minute. Think about what you own. Could you afford to replace it all tomorrow? Know your risk and protect your stuff. GradGuard Renter's Insurance just makes sense.